Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to JJ's PC Builds. JJ with you once again. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds and my veteran subscribers. As always, much love to you for all that you do helping support the channel. Today is just going to be a little bit, I'm going to take you all along with me because I have something cooking for a Christmas present for a special friend. Okay. So I decided I'm going to do the last build I'm going to do for 2023, and I'm going to do a Christmas build. So I'm going to take y'all along really quick with me to show you what I've picked out, and so that way y'all can see what I got cooking. So let's go ahead and go to the action screen. There we go. And let's pull up DuckDuckGo. And there we go. Let's go ahead and go to Amazon. Well, no. Let's see if I can do it on PC Part Picker. Let's see, PC Part Picker. Let's do it on PC Part Picker. So this way you all can see what it's costing to do a build like this. Let's go to the builder side of the PC Part Picker, choose CPU. I decided to do the 5600 X3D. Okay, so we'll add that. I already know the price is $229, so I'll end up having to add $229 to the build. Okay, so let's pick the motherboard. I already got the motherboard here, so Asus. What was it? Tough. Asus Tough B550 Gaming. B550 Gaming, which is right here. So we'll add that. CPU cooler. So I'm trying to remember what I picked out. Deepcool. Huh. Okay, it's there it is right there. Deepcool, the LS 720 SE right there. Okay. Memory. I chose G.Skill. Right here. Chose that right there. Okay, storage. They had their storage, so, but if you were to go get it, you know, it'll be the P2. Let's see. Let's put Crucial up there and see if they got the P2 right here. They already got the P2, so we'll go ahead and we'll add the P2 in there. The video card, Put the 7800. Power color. There it is. Power color Hellhound OC. The case. It's K2, so right there. So power supply. It's right here. That's very simple. Operating system and the monitor and the apparels and stuff, don't have to worry about. But this PC would cost you, it's about $1,100. Say it's about a $1,200 build. With the promo discounts, it's about $1,200. Just our base total, it says 1138.74. Okay, now what I got was the Power Color Hellhound OC Radeon RX 7800 XT 16 gigabyte video card. That's on order. The Mustax K2 ATX mid tower case. And the Corsair RM750E I already have. So the Ripjaws I had to order because I didn't want to use the 16 gigabytes of Ripjaw, so I decided to go to 32 gigabytes of Ripjaw to make it a little bit better. Now if you get the 5600 X3D, they didn't add that into the price. So, and it gives you the warnings. If the motherboard is no BIOS, yeah, I already updated the BIOS. Don't worry about that. Gen 1 header adapter is required. Okay, I already know that. I already got all that. So they're saying, 2 DIMM slots, 1 and 2, 2 and 2. Okay, so AM4. Is there any other surprises I'm looking for? SATA, EPS 8-pin connector. So I need 2 6+2s for the Power Color Hellhound. And it looks like I'm good there. Oop. Anything else? Other surprises? Nope. Okay. So basically it comes down to that. Okay. I already got the processor. I already got the motherboard. I already got the power supply. I already got the SSD. So I'm waiting on the AIO cooler. I'm waiting on the AIO cooler, the 320 millimeter. The RAM. I'm waiting on the graphics card and the case. So I'm waiting on a couple things here. So when they come in, and hopefully they come in at least a week before Christmas, then I can do the end of the year build, which this is going to be my end of the year build. Just let y'all know. So I told y'all I had this build coming at least a month or so ago. Make sure you get your drink and snacks, by the way. I did tell y'all I had this build coming anyway, but I wasn't sure what kind of graphics card I wanted to get for this build. But I kept looking, and I'm like, okay, I'm never going to get this built if I keep looking. So I decided to do the 7800 XT, since I seen a lot of people talking about the rasterization and the light end of ray tracing and stuff like that, and all the improvements I seen AMD make. They did an awesome job. So at least this build, I know for sure. This build that I showed you, I know for sure is going to run great on the games that they play. For sure. I'm going to test it with Steam. I'm going to see what Steam does and everything else, you know. Because I got a few benchmarks on Steam that I'm going to run once I get this all put together. And, you know, then we'll go to the next step. Then I'll do one build. I'll do one video of the build. Unless you guys want to see the disassembly, you'll have to let me know about that. But if you want to see me disassemble the one case, I do one video on the disassembly, one video on the build, and then one video on the testing. That's what I had in mind to do. So one is disassembly, one will be, well, no sense. You guys seen many cases, you know, many PCs disassembled. I don't think you really want to go for that, you know. You just want to see the new assembly of the new PC and the testing of the new PC. So we're not going to make this a really long video, but I'm just showing you what I got cooking. And this person really deserves this build. I'm going to make this happen. And this is their Christmas present. This is from me to them. This is their Christmas present, and I'm sure they're going to be blasted by it. And, you know, they're really going to be blasted when I take and set up the BIOS for them. I have everything. I'm going to have everything precisely set. And after I'm done with the testing and I check temperatures and everything else, and I see the temperatures are within the parameters I want them to be in, because when they game, I want them to be able to game for 16 hours straight with no heating issues or anything else. But anyway, this is the end of the video. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do. Helping support the channel, watching videos from beginning to end, and telling your friends to come on down and subscribe and watch videos from beginning to end. But anyway, we're going to get up out of here. We got a lot going on. So until the next time, in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.